bubs! Let's make slime!
Wow!
Welcome to our magical world of rainbow slime making! Yay!
Wow!
We're so excited to show you how to make the most colorful slime ever! Alright, let's gather our ingredients. First up, clear glue for that perfect slime base. Next, let's add the magic, shall we? Our rainbow of colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Stir it all together like you're mixing a magical potion. Time to make it sparkle. Glitter, anyone? Glitter makes everything better. Next step, kneading. Now, knead it with your hands until it's nice and stretchy. Ta-da! Look at our amazing rainbow slime. It's stretchy, sparkly, and so much fun. Now it's your turn. Ask your grown-up for help and have a slime-tastic time. Until next time, stay sparkly and giggly. Bye!